Hi, I'm Debby Walters, back for part 4 of Designing with Strips and Curves using our basic set. Beginning in part 1, we created the Drunkard's Path block, red and white. Then we also cut out the alternate block that you can use that is in the basic set. In part 3, we showed you how to insert this half circle. So now we're going to play with it. I went on Pinterest and looked up a lot of quilt pictures, and this was the one that I started out as my inspiration. But there are many others that you can look at. This one is wonderful with nothing but Drunkard's Path blocks in very bright colors. This one utilizes just that additional block that we have in the basic set. You can also find sample quilts where you can get other layouts for Drunkard's Path. Many, many. Here's another one using bright colors and only that Drunkard's Path block. So let's get started in designing ours. As I said, I got started with it using that layout. So let's try making our center. Of course, mine has the extra interest of these two pieces in there. That kind of looks like Saturn moons to me. And then we would have 4 blocks on the corners that are blank, just background fabrics. And these blocks that we made with the red and white could become petals or wings or whatever you want to call them. This is based on just that one that I saw to begin with. And of course the difference is this center. So that's that layout that I saw originally. But what if I want to change that? I could add 2 more small circles just cut out of using maybe a cup from the kitchen, and cut a red circle and applique those on. Just machine applique 2 little red circles. Then it would look less like 2 bug eyes looking at you. I can also, let's try this. Now that's an interesting block because now what we've got is these 3/4 circles going on the corners. And this would give the quilter a wonderful opportunity to do some beautiful quilting in the middle. We can play with these blocks and rearrange them all we want to. I also made some blocks with the red as the L shape, where these are white with the L shape. So these could be played with. A little bit different look in the corners with the white and the red. So it's totally up to you what you want to do, and I suggest that you can start with an inspiration, but give yourself an opportunity to play with it so that you get more design ideas. Well, that's the completion of our Drunkard's Path Basic 1 block. Please stick with us because we're going to come back and do videos on each set of templates that we have, and I don't want you to miss out on anything. Bye.